Kigomano gia thiku igiri kia mangabana na anini ao mwena wa Naivasha ni gikinyire muthia umuthi na gitirihirwo na mucemanio gatagati ka mangabana na ministry ya kigiina. Na ni mucemanio uyu ngirimiti ikiraniirwo igi ministry ya kigiina kwaga gucirithagiria mbeca iria cibatie ni kugairwo county. Muikariri gitu wa kanju ya mangabana Anne Waiguru akiuga ati muoroto wa mucemanio uyu uma ni kwariria morito ma kimbeca maria county cikoretwo cikigerera.
The National Treasury shall disburse the funds due to county governments within statutory timelines. The actors are the National Treasury.
Gukoretwo na mutaratara muritu wa kuhetukirio mbeca ministry-ini ya kigiina o nginyagia county cigatuma mabitha acio wabici-ini nene cia kigiina Nairobi. No riu ni kugite na uiguano ati gukinyeria Dithemba ya mwaka ukite ni gukorwo na njira iria iguthondekwo ya gutigirira uritu uyu ni weherio.
Control of budget and the Central Bank of Kenya shall put in place an automation system by December 2022 so as to eliminate the movement of county officers to Nairobi for clearance of payments. The actors for this are the Controller of Budget, Council of Governors, and county governments.
Na wigi mutaratara wa marihi Waiguru augite ati unyitaniri-ini na honge itiganite ta rwa ugai wa kigiina CRA na SRC ni meguthondeka mitaratara iria irihuthikaga na ningi magerie kuiganania mishara ya aruti wira county kuringana na mabataro ma ihinda riri.
To develop position papers on how to handle, among others, the payment of salaries of the ECD teachers and the classification of development spending. The issues raised by the working committees shall also be forwarded to the IBEC for adoption. Kumurika wigi mawatho ma uheani wa kandarathi kaunti-ini no undu ungi waririirio. Kanju ya mangabana ikiranira ni gucenjia uria uheani wa kandarathi ukoretwo ugikwo. Meeting will be held between the Council of Governors and the Equalization Fund Board so that the governors can be appraised of the structures of the board, its governing regulatory framework and flow of funds to concerned counties.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.